Home Remedies presents
Nighttime ritual that cleans your intestines while you sleep. Feeling bloated, sluggish, or backed up? You're not alone. Millions over 50 struggle with digestive issues that worsen with age. But relief is just a few kitchen ingredients away. Here are 4 powerful, natural remedies that cleanse your gut, eliminate toxins, and restore digestive health. Why gut health matters. Your intestines produce 95% of your serotonin. When clogged with waste, toxins leak into your bloodstream, affecting mood, sleep, energy, and immunity. These remedies help restore balance naturally. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Remedy 1. Flaxseed Tea ingredients. 1 tablespoon whole flax seeds. 2 cups water. Preparation: boil flax seeds for 10 to 15 minutes until gel-like. Strain and drink warm before bed. Optional: blend 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds into a morning smoothie. Dosage: nightly for 3 to 5 days. Benefits: sweeps out waste. Reduces inflammation. Improves bowel movements within 1 to 2 days. Remedy 2. Lemon water plus morning walk ingredients. Juice of 1/2 lemon. 1 glass warm water. How to use: drink first thing in the morning, then walk for 15 to 20 minutes. Dosage: daily, on an empty stomach. Benefits: activates digestion. Stimulates intestinal contractions. Combats bloating and sluggishness. Remedy 3. Olive oil plus chia seeds ingredients. 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil. 1 teaspoon chia seeds, soaked 15 plus minutes in water. How to use: mix and consume 1 hour before bed. Dosage: nightly for 2 to 3 days. Benefits: lubricates intestines. Softens hard stools. Promotes complete elimination. Remedy 4. Prune juice cleanse ingredients. 6 to 8 pitted prunes. 2 cups warm water. Preparation: soak overnight. Blend with water in the morning. Drink in the evening on an empty stomach. Dosage: every other night for 1 week. Benefits: natural laxative. Boosts colon health. Reduces inflammation and feeds good gut bacteria. Common mistakes to avoid: don't rely on harsh chemical laxatives. Avoid combining multiple strong laxatives. Never ignore the urge to go. Hydrate with at least 8 glasses of water daily. Eat your largest meal earlier in the day. Final thoughts: these remedies are safe, affordable, and work with your body. Regular use can boost energy, clear skin, improve sleep, stabilize mood, and support immunity. Start with the method that suits you best or try all 4 for maximum benefit. Your gut is the gateway to total body wellness.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.